Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. This afternoon I was chatting to an old friend of mine who told me that the company he works at has recently been undergoing massive restructuring. And as a result, there have been literally hundreds of layoffs, hundreds of redundancies right across the company. Basically, it sounds like the company's going to be sold on to another owner. I asked him if he knew when this might happen, and he basically looked at me and said, listen, I don't know and I don't want to know. All of that is way above my pay grade. I'm just keeping my head down and doing my job. If you say that something is above or beyond your pay grade, you basically mean it's the responsibility of someone higher up in the organisation, someone better paid and with more authority than you. So it's often something you might need to say at work. Maybe someone asks you if you can sign off for them to leave early tomorrow, and you might say, listen, I'd love to be able to okay that for you, but I'm afraid it's beyond my pay grade. If you talk to journalists who work in newspapers, they're usually only responsible for writing particular articles. If you get angry and say, I can't believe the headline that your newspaper put out last week, they'll often tell you, listen, what goes into the headlines, what goes on the front page is way beyond my pay grade. And maybe when you're being asked questions by people, questions that you find difficult to answer, or that you don't think you have the permission or authority to answer, you can respond by saying, I'm afraid I can't answer that question at the moment. It's above my pay grade. I'll refer it up the chain for you. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use above or beyond my pay grade.